Today we're going to make a fun and easy piece of candle decor. This DIY works perfect for a Christmas ornament and for a Thanksgiving decoration. I want to make a base for my candle so that I can add moss around the bottom for extra decoration. So I'm tracing the larger part of the cork onto a piece of cardboard. Once I cut this piece out, I decided it was not large enough, so I enlarged my circle and tried it again. In John 8:12, Jesus said, "I am the light of the world. He that followeth me shall not walk in darkness, but shall have the light of life." I don't know about anyone else, but when I have a storm and a power outage in the evening, I am very grateful for my flashlight or candles to help me see where I'm going and to keep me from bumping into things in the dark. Living in the world is kind of like being in the dark, but the obstacles that we face are our sins. If we walk through this world without Jesus, who is the light of this world, we cannot find our way. However, if we follow Jesus, he will show us the right way to go. Now I want to work on the flame for my candle. I took 2 different colors of pipe cleaners and twisted them together. Once I had them the length I wanted them, I trimmed it off. First, I folded the pipe cleaners in half. Then I took what I'm going to call the pokey ends and folded them partially up, and I hot glued that end onto the candle to represent the flame. My next step was to hot glue the cork onto the base that I had made for it. Now I'm just taking the moss and hot gluing it around the bottom. I trimmed it where I felt it needed trimmed and added additional pieces in other areas. To add a little shimmer, I placed a red bow on the front of the candle. You could complete your craft here and it would make a great counter or tabletop display. However, I wanted this particular candle craft to be a Christmas tree ornament, so I'm going to do a little more work on it. For this part, you could use wire, Christmas ribbon, string, or another item of your choice. I have a whole roll of this blue string, so I decided to utilize what I had on hand. This craft is great for a home DIY, a church activity, or even a school project. I would love to know which one you are using it for, so be sure to leave me a message in the comments down below. I would also greatly appreciate it if you would support my channel by subscribing and turning the bell on for notifications.